Y'all, I have been seeing Tyla's Met Gala look because the girl walked the red carpet looking like she was carved out of diamonds. Wet hair, bronze skin, shimmery under eye, that was beaming. So Tyla served hard, and in 24 hours, this look is everywhere. Vogue did get ready with me video that's already pulling 200,000 views. So today I'm recreating my way using products I already own, and while I do it, I want to have a real conversation with you all about confidence because Tyla didn't just walk the red carpet, she owned it, and I want to break down what we can actually learn from how she carries herself. And so let's go. Real quick for the babies in the audience, Tyla is a 24-year-old South African singer. 3 years ago, you may be never heard of her. Now she's a Grammy Met Gala global tour, working with every major fashion house. And the thing about Tyla, she didn't change herself to make it. She didn't lighten her skin. She didn't lose her accent. She didn't drop her accent, her music to fit American radio. She kept it all of who she is, and the world had to come to her. So right now we are going to do my brows. I love using this concealer by NYX. It's going to be a little bit lighter, and it's going to help lift my eyebrows to have that arch. So I have to make sure that my eyebrows have a little arch, and also it have a little bit of lightness underneath the brow. The thing I learned that Tyla, when she goes on red carpets, you can see it. She's not looking around for approval. She's not nervous. She's just there, fully in demand, fully in control, fully in herself. And that's because she put in the work to know who she is and before the world start watching. Because the biggest lesson is confidence. It starts with how you feel about you, not what other people say, not Instagram comments, not your cousin's opinion. It's all about you, who you are and what you want. So as I'm blending in this eyeshadow, I'm using a little bit of this like a reddish color. I'm using Ruby Kisses Gemstones. Very affordable eyeshadow palette, only $6. I applying this eyeshadow. It's not too bold, but it gives a sexy appeal that I am becoming my own, that I don't have to work too hard to become something. So my younger sisters watching, work on you, not so you can post about it, not so somebody will love you. Work on you because you deserve to know yourself. Read books that scare you. Try things that intimidate you. Spend time alone. Confidence is built in private. It just gets worn in public. This eye look time is for me. Like I always make sure my concealers, and also I'm going to make sure this blush is going to look good as well. So the thing I love is I use a concealer that's my skin color, and then I use one a little bit lighter. And with the blush, I make sure that the tiny bit of blush just bring it to life. I don't try to do too much because Tyla's glow comes from the bronzer, but I don't have a bronzer, so I'm going to use a darker tone concealer to make it as a bronzer. So, and make sure when I blend it in, you guys will see. So with that, eye look time for Tyla, right? So I did use like the rhinestones. I used the rhinestones, a little bit of the teal eyeshadow blush to make it pop like hers, and some glitter. It was not easy, but I did get it. So I made sure that I had like the soft brown smoky, keep it warm, matte brown in the crease, deeper brown on the outer corner, and I blend. So it's no harsh lines. And in lesson 2, I had to embody Tyla to stay who you are. Even when the world tells you to change, you can't let the world make you who you are. Tyla is South African. She speaks with her accent. She sings a paneo. She don't pretend to be American to make American radio happy. She doesn't change her body to fit Hollywood standards. She's just her. And the world had to adjust. Now, this is Tyla's signature. The shimmery cream, right? Like under the eyes. She always loved the shimmer, bright colors. It makes her A-pop. So I'm patting it on with my fingers. And I'm using my eyeliner because this is going to pop. Especially when you add your concealer and your blush. It's going to define your eye, this eyeliner. So I love the eyes. And this is what the wet, glassy, beamy look she had on the red carpet. So my sisters, I want to say, please don't shrink yourself to fit a room. Don't change your hair, your name, your voice, your culture, your body to be more acceptable to people who weren't going to celebrate you anyway. The right rooms expand for who you are. The wrong rooms ask you to shrink and know the difference. Because that's where the confidence come in, to know the difference of who you are. And I love this wing on that liner. Like, Tyla doesn't do dramatic cat eyes, so I said, let's do the shimmer, do the talking, then a fluttery lash, not too heavy. So lesson 3 is take up space. I mean it. Black women, and I'm going to say this clearly, we have been taught to make ourselves smaller, quieter, less. Don't be too loud. Don't laugh too big. Don't celebrate yourself too much. Don't wear the bold lip. Don't post the picture of you love because somebody might call you cocky. Tyla on that Met Gala carpet, she was not shrinking. She had the literary diamond dress. She was posing. She was looking dead in the camera. She knew she looked it good. The walk, oh my God, I love how she walked. And she let the world see it. And that is confidence. And that's what I love about her. And look, you guys, I didn't have lashes this time. And I just been embracing my natural self. So I'm using this L'Oreal. So it gives a little length to my lashes, which I do love. And I love it. Now if you can go ahead and remove the tape, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses. It's called Rose Brown. I'm using it as a lip liner. I'm using the lipstick. I slightly overline if you want. Then I just did like a nude color in the middle. And I did Tyla's lip. It's plumpy, juicy, repetitive. We want that glossy factor effect. But I did use my Squishy by NYX because she had like a little pink in the middle. It's like a nude pinkish, but I just did this one to show more of the color. So I am very excited that I did, and I love this lip combo. And then I went in with my Romantic Beauty nude lip gloss, and I used that in the middle to achieve that look. You guys, I love it. And then I'm just going to blend in the makeup. And the final lesson is, this might be the one I want you to tattoo on your heart. Your confidence does not depend on someone else's opinion of you. People will hate you. People will say you're too much. People will say you're doing the most. People will compare you to other women, drag you, dimming your light, try to remind you of when you were smaller. Don't listen, because people who are at peace with themselves don't need to break other women down. The hate isn't about you, it's about them. And while they're talking, you should be building. Like Tyla did, quietly, consistently, until one day the whole world has to look at you. Okay, y'all. Tyla Glam is done. Did I serve? Drop your verdicts in the comments down below. Listen, confidence isn't a feeling you wait for. It's a decision you make every morning. Decide today, I'm not shrinking, I'm not apologizing, I'm taking up space. I am being who I am, and that's it, and that's the lesson. Everything I use today is going to be in the description down below. And also, really, check out my ebook, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hype this video. And who should I recreate next? Love y'all. See you guys next time, and thank you so much.